Script is basically a typical script where you're going to actually write your actions and tasks that you want to do within the client. So, for example, like a wood cutting bot, you create your different tasks associated to that, and add them into this task list right here. So, for example, the one action script we have is a tutorial island action script. So you create a new class for your main item, and then you add it to the action script. You extend the action script class. And so for here you have, from action script, there's a main loop right here which you can override. The tutorial island does override it, but an example would be you can create your different tasks. Right here we have a bunch of different tasks, class tasks. Here's one right here, and you can just add it onto this task list and it will do the looping by itself. So if you do this loop on your own, you can, which the tutorial island does. They override the loop. So that is a quick overview. We will be changing, instead of using task, we will be using leaf task and group task, which this would be a good time to go into that. The leaf task is basically a simple task where you have a condition evaluated. If that is evaluated true, then execute is run. And so this is just like a small version of how to test out that task. The group task is a way to collect a bunch of leaf tasks. You might have a very complex script where you want to have this set of tasks not wanting to be evaluated. So that's where you would come in with your group task. The next one would be we'll go into a server script. So each one of these scripts extends the superscript, which has a start, a stop, and a draw. So each one of these scripts you can draw in them. The server script is kind of an example. We would have these would be like bank pin solver, a login screen, dismiss randoms, genie solver, these type of things. We do have one server script, which is the login handler right here. So for example, if the account we want to start automatically, the script automatically, and if we are at the login at the home screen, then we can want to execute the main loop. Main loop isn't actually a loop, we just run it one time, and then we just log into the screen. So that's an example of the login handler for a server script. So, this you maybe not. Another thing, so this is something that would be running in the background. Another one maybe is, and I'll be working on this, is like an item tracker or XP tracker that could be run in the background, and to keep track of like XP or levels and stuff like that. That would be good for a server script. Then the last one is a paint script. So the paint script is just inherits everything from the superscript: start, stop, draw, and we have quite a bit of paint scripts. So these would be examples for just things that you want to check and print to the screen, basically paint to the screen. We have painting ground objects, painting NPCs, painting the players, painting and we also have Farbit Explorer and Widget Explorer. Farbit Explorer could be run in a server script, but Widget Explorer is something that we do kind of like want to run. So that's what the paint scripts can be turned on and turned off. Like the Widget Explorer, you would want to open it up, do your stuff, and then close it when you're always running in the background. once you add it, it's always running in the background. We can quickly look at like an MPC paint script. So for example, here we have a little check to make sure that we're logged in, and we get all the NPCs, we loop over their tile, do the tile, calculate their triangles for the model, print that out, and then we print out, to